I had the shock of my life.
Okay, and hotels.
You turn this that way,
Yeah.
it comes down towards you. Fire at night, I suppose. I don't know.
Yeah, it's hot at the moment, guys. 28 degrees. It's really, really hot at this time. Now we'll have our time for drink. We have no drink throughout
No drink, no
travel.
food, no
Yeah,
nothing.
just rest.
You need to get
Anyway.
sweat
Okay. That's all for the meantime, guys. We're having our drink in the hotel, yeah, in the 4th floor. And then that's it. This is our room for 5 nights. See you guys. Bye-bye. That picture, Dal, and video, this one. Smile. Okay. Actually, we celebrate here the birthday of Malcolm. Okay, thank you, darling. Thank you guys for all your support and also my partner here at the back. See you. Bye-bye.